Alright, this is the Roslyn Metro Station in somewhere in Virginia. I think Pentagon's or Arlington. We're going to take these long escalators up. Look at this long get-on time. That elevator to your left has been decommissioned permanently. These are, I believe, the longest elevators in the United States, but I'm not sure. Look how long these escalators are. Probably just gonna take the elevators up. Finally, here we are at the top. I don't think we need to go back down these things because they're way too long. And that will be it. Look how long those escalators are.